Okay, I've cracked the code. The lights should divide into two groups. There's like everything except those two lights, and then there's those two lights. With the top button, it turns on everything. And then this button turns off everything. Very slowly. And any of these three buttons down here, these three motherfuckers, it turns on all the lights except... I press the middle one. Turn off the lights, and you turn it on again. If you turn off the lights, and then wait a bit, and then press the middle button, they all do the same thing, and it's entirely dependent on the speed at which you fuck. There's a light here. The light moves around. What do these buttons at the bottom do, by the way? What the fuck? What? What? If I press left, it turned everything off. No, it made it dimmer. And this is the turn off. This is full bright. No, this is making it brighter. So this is brightness. Dimmer, 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 dimmer. It's getting dimmer. Yeah. And then it turns off. And then the right makes it bright. So that's the brightness control. And then these are all synonymous, but it keeps track of which one you have selected for some reason. And then this is turn everything off. And then for different light switches, it's also fucking different for some reason. Who made this?